Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make text bigger or smaller in Chrome browser. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three dots, and this is going to appear. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to settings right here, click on settings, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to navigate to the sidebar right here and go to appearance, and it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure under the font size right here, you can simply navigate from medium to something like very larger or better still large. By the time you go back to the site, you see that the font is going to the text of a site is going to simply increase. You can go back to your font size again. You can simply switch back to medium recommended, or better still, switch back to very small. Everything depends on how you want your font size to be increasing, or the size of the font size on your Chrome browser on a web page. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.